Smack DVD, son.
Yo! What up? Black! You know why?
Yo, we got Wiley with us today,
My
too.
nigga Wiley, we up in this motherfucker.
Wiley, what up, Wiley? All the dogs is with us tonight. All the dogs is coming out tonight.
Let me get this.
Yo, do something for the dogs, yo.
Dickory dock, nigga. Your bitch, she loves my cock, nigga. Now, I ain't getting on some fairy tale nursery rhyme shit. But when I pull out that scary shit, it leaves you in the nursery like a baby, bitch. I got fucking bologna on all my sandwiches, cause I'm hood, nigga. You wearing that tufu, baboo-foo, cause you could, nigga. Now I spill beans, but I ain't never farted. I bet what, nigga? Nothing but party. My dudes throw nuckies like frisbees. They hit dudes in the melon and then they white tees. That's a body blow. I got that 12 gauge, nigga. That's the shotty though. You don't want to get wrapped up and fucking stuff like a burrito or a soft shell taco from the street. Nigga, it's spring up in this bitch. Where the heat? I know you ain't got your gun, but I'm packing my shit where my armpit is, bitch. That's that shit. The hooderific. That good and terrific. I got that old school flow like I seen Spot.
Yo, this was Smack DVD.